Traditions. We all have them, but are they good or are they bad? Hey, my name is Daniela, the vegan mom, and when I think of traditions, I think of joyful moments, like a holiday meal with a whole family. We think of homemade cookies. We think of sitting around a fire and maybe roasting marshmallows and telling stories. Traditions are a source of enjoyment and meaning, and they make us feel like we belong. Traditions are powerful because they reflect our cultural roots. They anchor us and they provide stability, and they teach us how things have been, and they connect us to our ancestors and teach us our history. Traditions turn ordinary moments into extraordinary celebrations. Traditions are emotional anchors, and they offer familiarity and security during turbulent times. Traditions embody shared memories and values, and they give us a sense of purpose. Traditions play a vital role in preserving languages, rituals, customs. They contribute to the diversity of global cultures. But, and here comes the big but, traditions can also be dangerous, devastating, and painful. For example, bullfighting in Spain, where the bull is tortured to death for our amusement. Elephant rides while on an exotic vacation. Young elephants are stolen from their mothers and then subjected to brutal and violent training to crush their spirit and become submissive. Plus, their feet are chained with sharp, spiky chains, and electric shock is sent through their legs. Tiger petting in Thailand, where tigers are drugged up and chained day and night. I got one more for you, and it's called hazing. Do you know what hazing is? I didn't know what it was, and I had to go look it up. And according to the dictionary, this is what hazing is. Get this. Hazing. It's a ritual of humiliating others as part of an initiation into a group or an exclusive gang, like a college sorority, for example, where the person who wants to join is blindfolded, beaten, and forced to drink alcohol to the point of poisoning. That's just insane, crazy. Let's come back to the cozy traditions that are not so cozy for the animals, because each year trillions, yes, trillions of sea and land animals are brutalized, tortured, and murdered for our traditions. Millions of turkeys are killed each year for our Thanksgiving meal. Millions of pigs are gassed or boiled alive for our Christmas ham. Millions of cows are tortured and brutally murdered for our memorial barbecue. Trillions of sea and land animals are tortured and exploited and brutalized in the most unimaginable ways for our traditions. How about we start a new tradition? How about we exchange those traditions for compassion for the animals and leave the animals off of our plates and go vegan? And believe me, when you start to awaken and start going on your vegan journey, it's like trading your dust for diamonds. And if you need help making the transition to a plant-based vegan lifestyle, I'm here for you and I would love to help you. You can contact me through my website and I will leave the link in the description below. Just contact me and we will chat. And if you liked the information and if you liked what you heard today, please subscribe and become part of the tribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.